Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to fold a bird. This is a very easy model. First, fold the layer in half like this. Open the paper and fold in half on this side. Then rotate the paper, turn over the paper and fold in half from the corner to corner like this. And fold in half on this side. Open this layer to this and fold like this. Here's one basic model of origami. Fold one layer to the center like this. You can fold the left or the right layer, it doesn't matter, but remember only one layer. Open it and flat it. Like this. Do the same thing in the opposite layer. You can see, yeah, it's the opposite layer. Repeat this step. Go to the center, open and flat it. In one layer you have to just fold the bottom to the top. Only one layer. Keep the paper here. Then fold the layer to the center like this. Keep the top here. Do the same thing in this side. Turn over the paper. Fold the edge to the center. Doing both sides. Like this. This model is very easy to make. See here, from a part of the model, the top down, from this point to about here. This. This layer, fold it to the center like this, and fold about this point. Fold the paper like this. Do the same thing in this side. Fold all the model in half like this. You can see here the shape of the eagle, the wing, tail, peak here. First we will fold the peak. Fold the paper like this from this point. Fold paper down like this. And fold it outside. Fold like this to make the mark. Fold up and down. Then fold it inside. From this point, fold it down a little bit like this. Okay. This layer. Fold it outside like this. This tail fold like the peak. Fold it down. The wing, fold the true wing down. It's right, or you can make a line here, like this. It will make more realistic. Here, we have finished the bird.